Chapter 2 Soil. You will learn soil formation. What does soil contain? Soil profile. Types of soil. Soil and crops. Uses of soil. Soil is important as plants are grown here. Plants absorb water and minerals from soil through roots. Soil formation. Formation of the soil took many years. Soil is formed by breaking up of different types of rocks. The big rocks broke into small pieces by the action of sun, rain, and wind. The pieces of rocks were carried to different places with the flow of water and action of wind. In the process, the rocks were broken into very small pieces and formed soil. The soil is mainly made of rocks. Thus, the type of soil depends upon the kind of rock it is made up of. Soils contain different types of grains and minerals. The dark brown color of the soil is due to the presence of humus. Humus is made of dead plants and animals. The soil fertility depends on the amount of humus present in it. It also supplies food to the plants. What does soil contain? The soil is a mixture of clay, sand, humus, and gravel. It holds enough water and air. It contains the nutrients necessary for plants. Many small animals also live in soil. Soil is different everywhere. It depends on the place. Soil profile. Soil is made up of layers, also called horizons. There are mainly 3 layers. They are topsoil, subsoil, and bedrock. The uppermost layer, or A horizon, is the topsoil. This layer contains most of the nutrients required for plant growth. The roots of the plant are found here. There is also a thin layer of plant material called organic layer. The B horizon, or the subsoil, is the next layer. It contains less amount of humus but more minerals. The C horizon, or the third layer, contains small pieces of rocks with cracks and gaps. The lowermost layer is the bedrock, which is hard and difficult to dig. Do you know? There can be several 100 million bacteria in a good soil. Activity. Let us perform an activity to examine that soil contains air. Aim: to examine that soil contains air. What you need: a jar, some soil and water. Method: put soil in a container and slowly add water. Observe the air bubbles that rise through the water from the soil. Bubbles prove the presence of air in soil. Types of soil. There are 3 main types of soil: sandy, clay, and loamy soil. Sandy soil. Sandy soil mostly contains sand particles. It is found in desert area and on the seashores. Sandy soil is very fine and loose. It consists of lot of air space, thus cannot hold water in it. The sandy soil is grey in color. Clay soil. Clay soil mainly contains clay. The soil particles are very fine and stick together. Clay soil can hold a lot of water and has very less air. Clay is mostly used for making pots and toys. Color of this soil is brown. Loamy soil. Loamy soil consists of both sand and clay. This is why it can hold water and air. It is considered as the best soil for growing plants. It contains lot of humus. It is also called garden soil. Soil and crops. Crops are grown according to the type of soil. Soils differ in their mineral contents. Requirement of minerals varies from crop to crop. Plants absorb water and minerals from the soil through roots. The growth of crop also depends on the water and air holding capacity of the soil. For example, most of the vegetables are grown in loamy soil, whereas rice is grown in clayey soil. Do you know? The process by which minerals move down through soil is called leaching. Uses of soil. Soil is very important for all living things. Soil is used in many ways. Soil helps to hold the plant upright. Plants get water and essential minerals from the soil. Soil provides home to many small animals such as earthworms. Clay soil is used to make pots and other articles. Let us revise. Formation of the soil took many years. The soil is mainly made of rocks. The dark brown color of the soil is due to the presence of humus. The soil is a mixture of clay, sand, humus and gravel. Soil is made up of 3 layers: topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. There are 3 main types of soil: sandy, clayey and loamy soil. Crops are grown according to the type of the soil. Soil is used in many ways.